Hi guys, welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this end table. You can use it indoors or outdoors. Mine will be staying on the patio since this rope was previously used on a boat, so it has sand in it, so I'll be keeping it outdoors. Alright, let's get started. To make this end table you will need about 3 foam boards from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing, I'm taking one of the foam board and I'm just using my yardstick to measure 15 inches across, so that way I'll cut each one into 2. So I'll get 2 sides from one foam board, and then I'll need 2 foam board for all 4 sides. So I'm just using my X-Acto knife to cut down the center, and then I'll use my hot glue to glue them all together. Now that I have all 4 sides together, I place my frame on top of a separate piece of foam board, and I'm just using my Sharpie to mark the area so I can cut it out, and I'll be using 2 pieces, one for the top and one for the base. For my end table, I'm going to be using this rope. It's polyester and nylon mix. I found a similar one to this one on Amazon, so I'll leave the link in the description if you'd like to find it. And this rope is a 1/4 inch poly rope. I'm going to use my yardstick to find the center of my end table, and that's where I'll start to glue my rope. And I'm just trying to get it to start as tight as I can, and then I'll continue to go right around. And this design is a little repetitive, but it's important for you to follow the steps that I've included in the video, and especially for the edges. So just continue to watch, okay? And please remember to give me a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate that. All right? Now that we're coming to the end, what I did when I was going around with the rope is I left the corners a little bit loose and pushed the center tighter, so that way I won't have too much curve when I'm coming to the end. So now I'm just closing it off, and that will be it. I'll just use my scissors to cut it, and you can put a piece of wood under the bottom if you would like, but I'm just going to leave my design just like this. So at an estimate, I use about less than 500 feet of the rope. I had 800 feet on this spool. I'll leave a link to the similar rope that I found on Amazon, and it's in the description box below. Alright, I'm just going to leave my table as is. This is it for me until if I decide to do something else, but you can also paint it and you can use it indoors or outdoors. Right now it's nice on the patio, so I'm just going to leave it there. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you spending the time watching, and I appreciate your thumbs up, and if you leave me a comment, that would be great. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you next Friday. Bye bye.